Mm, okay, so now it's working. Now you will see name element, right? So this is my name. So right now the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope this is more than 20, right? I think it has to be more than 20 now. Yeah, it should be more than 20. Let's run this. You see, data too long. When you will troubleshoot map issues, you will get this error. Data too long. So when you see this error, data too long, you should understand that there is some field or there is some PC data, there is some element where we have a limit on the size of the data that field can contain or hold. But in the input file, we received data of more length than than what is configured in the map editor, right? So this is how we will troubleshoot your issues. Okay. Now, if you want to find out which field has this problem, right? So you can check here block name PC underscore PC data underscore name and the block signature ID name field name. Okay, block is so you need to start from here. Field name is name, block signature ID is name, right? And this field is under a block named PC data underscore name. Okay, so this is how you will figure out or troubleshoot your map related errors. So this is what data too long error. Okay, so the point is what I'm trying to make is whatever validation you will put here or apply here, it will be validated or respected or enforced by your translator on the input file. Okay, so this is about the string, right? So when you create the PC data, you can declare you can define the data type for that field, like this one, string number date time. Okay, so if you say string, right, you will get an option to select what kind of string this element can store. Free text means it can store anything. Okay, it can store anything. Second, you have few more uh, string types. Okay, A, J, and X. Now, how you will see what is A, J, and X? For that, you click on the edit, come to the this option, syntax token. Okay, this is the screen where the meaning of A, J, X, and whatever was there is defined. Like if you select A, it means if you select A for your string type validation, then in that particular field where that rule is applied, it can contain data starting from capital A to capital Z. Okay, and small a to capital Z. So this is the range, right? So it means that field, if you select A, right, if you select free text, it can contain anything like this, right? It can contain English alphabets. It can contain number. It can also contain the special character. Okay, but if you select A, right, then it will contain only uh, alphabets. Okay, either in small or capital, right? So this is where you can define the nature of a string or the string type that will be applied um, to that field, right? And if you want to create a new type, right? Say suppose some scenario, just take a random scenario. Okay, our requirement is name element can contain a string, but that string sh- should consist of only capital letters, and not only capital letter. It should consist of only letters from A to uh, uh, G. So it can contain A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But if it's anything between these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 characters, if it contains M, W, or something like that, then it will give you it's a problem. Then it's invalid data. So suppose that is the requirement. So if that is the requirement, how will achieve that? To achieve that, you can create a syntax token. Click on the new syntax token is, say suppose, which token is not here, A, J, say suppose this is M, and new. My character range is start from A and ends with F, capital. Okay, okay, and now just click on the close. Come over here and you select here M. Okay, so it works, right? It did not work. Incorrect data format for which name. Why? Field is ABC. Why it's giving you error? Because in the input it's ABC, but this is not a valid value because my range is A to F, but in the capital. Now let me do this. ABC. Try now. Okay. Now it's saying name J. Right. Actually, this is the value in the second field in this element, right? And how I come to know that map editor is creating or getting error because of this name, not this name. If you see this error, it says field name, right, which is name. That's fine. Field data j, field number 1. Field number means in your block, right? See, this is your block. Hmm. Right, this is the field number 1, but I did not know because of these fields. I came to know about the error because of location index. Right, it says location index is 2, name which has index 2. So in your input file, you have this name and then you have this name, right? Index of this name is 1 and the index of this name is 2. Okay, this is how this thing we read